Let's look at the third sum of problem set 9 now. If Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957 and a thresher for 32,609, how much money did she spend altogether? सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, हम फिगर आउट करेंगे कि हमारे नंबर्स कौन से हैं और पूछा क्या है और उसका आंसर कैसे देना है. इफ सुरेखा ताई बॉट अ ट्रैक्टर, ट्रैक्टर को खरीद के लेकर आई फॉर दिस मच वैल्यू एंड एक थ्रेशर लेकर आई. ठीक है, थ्रेशर फॉर 32,609. ट्रैक्टर इतने का लेके आई, थ्रेशर इतने का लेके आई. हाउ मच मनी डिड शी स्पेंड ऑल टुगेदर? मैंने प्रीवियस सम में भी बताया था, ऑल टुगेदर का मतलब क्या होता है, एडिशन. ओके, वही करना है अभी क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम है. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, वी विल हैव टू write the statements, problem statements. So what will we write for this sum? We will say cost of tractor is equal to this amount and cost of thresher is equal to this amount. Total cost of tractor and thresher is equal to question mark. ठीक है, यही पूछा है ना. मैं क्या करती हूँ, यूजुअली आई break the problem statement first and then I put in the numbers, so it becomes a little easy for me. You can also do it like this, cost of tractor and then put down the number 807,957, cost of thresher and put down the number 32,609. ठीक है, अब ये हमारा प्रॉब्लम का पूरा हमारे सम का ये ब्रेकडाउन है कि हमें ये करना है. So it becomes very easy. After this, all we have to do is solve. So solution 807,957. 3 यहाँ पर आएगा नहीं, यहाँ पर आएगा 32,000 है तो यहाँ पर आएगा 32,609. Just to avoid these type of mistakes now, I will still encourage you to always write units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. That is the place value on top. Small, you can write. It will avoid misalignment of numbers. Okay. Now it's simple. Just add the way we do it for our normal sums. 7 plus 9 is 16. So we write 6 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 5 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 we write below, carry over 1. 1 plus 7 plus 2 is 10. Write 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 0 plus 3 is 4. And 8 plus nothing means 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8. So the answer to this problem is, how much money did she spend altogether? Surekha Tai spent 84 lakhs and 84 lakhs है. So how much money? So what will be the answer? How much money did she spend altogether? So we will write all together. Surekha Tai spent rupees 88 lakhs 40,566 full stop. Now remember, there should be rupees written here. Okay, यहाँ पे. So whenever there is a unit given in front of the number, then you also have to use those units in the answer. When I say units, it means कभी rupees दिया होगा, कभी मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, फिर लीटर्स, ऐसे कुछ भी अगर यूनिट्स दिए होंगे, so see that you put those units. If you don't put these units, the marks are cut. Okay, so this is your answer. If you want, you can highlight the number, and for the next problem we will begin soon. If you want to see the previous problem, you can go and check it out. If you want, you can also check out how to do only this portion, how do we do addition, carry over and everything, and we have done a problem set 8. Go and check it out. Okay.